Prisha's Wonderworld. Scene 1, take 1.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you really easy, very quick how to make bubble mix from home ingredients. Home ingredients. Home ingredients. And today I'm wearing my new scientist runner glasses. I really like them. These are the things you are going to need to make bubble mix at home. First is, this is an equipment. Don't eat this. So a jug to mix things in. And of course, you'll need a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. You will need some sugar. Some water. And any dishwashing liquid of your choice. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. So first, you're going to need your glass of water. Pour it in. Try not to spill it. Every drop. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now you have to mix all of the sugar and all of the sugar in the water until it dissolves fully. Okay, now I think it's all dissolved. Well, it's as much as I can do. Oh, wait, I'm wrapping that way. Now we'll need 2 tablespoons of the dishwashing liquid. And this is going to take a while. Just a little bit more. So I'm just going to keep on mixing, and I think that's enough mixing, because look, bubbles are starting to form already. Now it's time to test if it worked or if it didn't work. I hope it worked. So you'll need to collect a bubble blowing thingy. So let's just dip it. Okay. It worked. And just last batch. Wait. Oh. I also have a trick how to catch bubbles. If you want to see it, I'm gonna try and catch some bubbles. Catch. See, look, I can catch. I just caught a bubble. Look. Ah. The trick is to make, if you want a big bubble, I normally just blow it slowly like this. I don't know if it's gonna work. Wait. Oh, that was a bit quick. If you do it quick, you'll not get like 2 big bubbles. But that's bigger. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy making this bubble mix and blowing them with your siblings, friends, family, your parents, everyone. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos from Prisha's Wonderworld. Bye for now, and we'll be blowing to our next video.